just realized a better way to spread the virus. As I said, dump it on us all right now. Let's just get it done with. But here we're doing all this stuff and we're just dragging it on as long as it takes for it to become a matter of normal to us. Oh, this is the way I live now. Huh. You know, the next move will be gag balls. And they don't even want homosexuals to get married. But they've got all the best ideas. Gag ball. So here it is. This is how we propagate it. If you're going, it's through fear. If you're going down to vote Tuesday, be sure that you don't wear a mask, because there will probably be people in the parking lot looking at you. And anybody that doesn't have a mask, as they walk through that room and shut the curtain behind them and they're getting ready to pull the damn jackpot, pull that handle, push the buttons, whatever it is these days. I don't know. I haven't voted since Ross Perot. And you say that I'm the problem? You're only voting so you can say, I told you I was right. Or so that you can say, you were wrong and I told you. Whatever it comes. It's like watching sports, you know. Group people together, make them have something they can agree about and they feel like they're part of a clan. That's how we got to where we are. I think it's Locke that talks about a state of nature that says, you know, he's a social contract. I can't remember who it was right offhand. I didn't mean to be thinking about it. But the state of nature, saying we're all going to go back to the trees and everything, would that be better? Or we got to stay away from... It might have been Locke saying, unless you sign the social contract, saying this is the way things are, and I agree, then otherwise the result, the consequences of the state of nature, going back and living in the trees. But you know what? I've got good trees where I come from. So everybody's becoming part of a game. They gotta have somebody to agree with them. It's not enough to think to yourself that maybe you're right. You need somebody to come in and say, you're right. Validation is wonderful. It really is. However, it's not something I would change my opinion over just to get it. And so if you're going to vote on Tuesday, be sure you don't wear a mask. Because there are going to be people in the parking lot watching for you. And before you pull the handle, right in the back, you're the enemy. Right here in our country. If that's not a civil war, then, well, it's gonna take a lot.